So here we have our wonderful rocket that I picked a couple of hours ago, and it's been lightly washed. So we're just going to put a few bits on the plate and some Parmesan, which we've just shaved. We have here some olive oil and lemon, that's it. A little drizzle of that over the top because that's all it needs. Bit of cracked pepper, a little bit of salt, good old rock salt, and voila. How good is that? Literally 2.5 hours from garden to the plate. So, can't wait for this. This is so delicious. And I'm so thrilled. I've never grown rocket before, straight from the garden. Let's see what this is like. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Everybody should grow their own food. That is delicious. It's nutty, it's sweet, the Parmesan goes well with it. The leaves are tender, it's lovely. This is my little celebration. This is my win for the day, and I hope your day has been wonderful too. God bless.